Okay, we now take the case of an update query. So generally in update query, what we have intended to do is that in the same table which we have created newly, in that table we are interested to make certain modifications with respect to the particular field. For example, in this update, it is a customer table. So we are interested to update this customer table by making a change in the salary, by setting salary is equal to salary into 0.25. Any logical calculation we have made it over. Where age in select age from customers, where age is greater than equal to 25. Now this is actually, this can be your original table, and suppose that customers can be your the new table that you have created, or whatever be the way we can debug and grid. So it is just with respect to age comparison from the second table, we are modifying only the salary from the first table. So only the first table salary is getting affected, but the second table salary is not getting affected. It is just the comparison of the age that was present on either tables. With respect to the age of the second table, we modified the age, the salary of the first table by comparing their age of the two. Wherever the age was the same things, then the salary of the first got affected. So this is what the thing is going to happen. Now we can copy and paste and put it into the query designer window and see how it happens. Now see here the insertion has already been done. So we'll just give a comment. We are interested to update the fields. So first let us visualize and see for age being greater than 27. So these much number of fields were there, and salary was 2005 1500. So this was the setting of the salary. Now what we can do is that we can see here we have to make up the difference in the table names, and this we can make it as a customer. And here it is not our, here we have a table name is custom table. So see this cust table, the salary will multiply into 0.25. That means each of this salary will get multiplied into 0.25 because each of the salaries were above 35. Okay, means age were above 35. And based on that only we are creating it. So we have to make it as above 35. We will make sure it's above 35. No, it's above. We can make it as. So here, which was the count was coming up? 22. So it should be above 22. Or we can make it as above 30. 30 itself. That will be better option. So above 30 we have only 32 and 34. Only these two age factors based on which the salary will get multiplied into 0.5 and others will remain intact. We can execute and see what happens like that now. So exactly 2 rows got affected. So what we showed. So above 30 means this 32. This 2000 will change. These rest of them will remain intact. Even 34 will change. Rest of the remains will remain intact. So 15, 20, 65, 85 will remain intact. So we can execute and see what happens. So exactly what we saw. Yeah. Only 34 and 32 got changed. The rest of the 4 fields in between were intact. So this query worked perfectly. Now what we can do is that we can change it with respect to even other factors, not necessarily with age. We can do with respect to any other fields, by means of which we can change the salary. Yeah. And this is how this update query with subqueried with the select works.